Tuntuma chuan Political Science and International Relations Pol Science optional subject kan en hawanga Sabera chuan Pol Science hianin paper 1 and paper 2 paper 1 le 2 oma hei hi ni kum sangni le som pariata MCS exam optional paper optional subject political science subject paper 1 le paper 2 ten nia hei hi paper 1 ania hei paper 2 ania syllabus kan lu main question pattern en le photila mark distribution te political science and international relations paper 1 optional paper 1 hian question pariat oma paper 1 hian part A le part B in an then sanga subject dang bookin part A le part B an thena ti chuanin part A hian question pali oma part B hian question pali bok oma ti chuanin vain question pariat oma ni paper 1 hi darkar thum chunga chanzo turania full mark za ani ti chuan question pariat kan ti to kha chumi question pariat oma chuan question panga chan turani ti chuan part A le part B hian atambera question pathum bak a chan theilawa question panga chan tura khan part A tangin question pathum i chan chuan part B question pahnih kan chang don ani part A question pahnih chan chuan part B pathum khatiang zel khanin question panga chan turani saberin syllabus lama han en sapotila political science and international relations paper 1 hian athupuya chuan political theory and Indian politics ti ania ta chuan section A paper A B kan yang chu khanin section A an thena section A khan unit 1 in thren le ti chuanin political theories of the state kan ti te liberal neoliberal marxist pluralist post-colonial tiang chi te kha theories of the states khan oma tin justice oma palina chun equality social political and economic relationship between equality and freedom affirmative action ti te oma chuanin pangana hian rights meaning and theories different kinds of rights concepts of human rights tiang chi te kha omani section A unit 1B ka khanin chuan section A unit 2 hian syllabus hian democracy ti oma ta hian classical and contemporary theories kan ti te different models of democracy kan tiang chi kha tiang ho kha oma pahnina chuanin concepts of welfare state various dimensions thumna chuan political ideologies kan ti liberalism socialism marxism te democratic socialism te ka tiang kha omani chuanin section A unit 3 na hianin Indian political thoughts Kautilya Arthashastra kan ti te kang tiang ho Mahatma Gandhi te Ambedkar Bal Gangadhar Tilak kan tiang chi khang ho political thoughts ang chi kha omta chuan unit 4 na hian western political thoughts heta hian Plato te Aristotle te Karl Marx kan tiang chi ka tiang ho kha unit 4 hian omle ta chuan paper A section B hianin part B yang chu part B hianin unit 1B ka Indian government and politics ti hi thupui nia Indian nationalism khanin political strategies of India's freedom struggle mass satyagraha kan ti te non-cooperation civil disobedience militant revolutionary movement kan tiang chi te tin panhina chuan making of Indian constitution ideology and philosophy legacies of the British rule, source of the Indian Constitution kan tiang chi te kha section B part B unit 1 na oma unit 2 na chuanin salient features of the Indian Constitution, the preamble, fundamental rights, duties and directive principle, parliamentary system, amendment procedure, judicial review kan tiang chi te kha oma chuanin panhi na principal organs of Indian government ti te a oma pathum na chuanin principal organs of the state government ti om le ni khang ho kha unit 2 na tlang pui ten nia chuanin part B paper A part B a hianin unit 3 na grassroots democracy, panchayati raj te municipal government kan tiang chi te tin 73rd and 74th amendment kan tiang chi te kha omani panina chuan statutory institution and commission, election commission ti te auditor general ti te finance commission in UPSC kan ti te tiang chi national human rights commission ti te tin national commission for minorities, national commission for women ti te oma thumna chuan federalism, constitutional provisions te changing nature of center state relations, interstate disputes kan tiang chi te kha unit 3 na hian om le ni chuan unit 4 na hianin planning and economic development kan ti te liberalization, privatization, public sector te poverty alleviation, development kan tiang chi te oma hina chuanin casteism, communalism ti te Indian politics ti te kha oma in pathum na chuanin party system, national regional political parties te ka tiang chi te kha omani chuanin palina social movement, women's movement te students movement te peasants and workers movement te om le ni khang ho kha political science, pol science optional subject paper A paper 1 na ami an nia paper A ani chu optional paper 1 part A le part B ten ni tuna chuan political science paper 2 anila athupuya chuan comparative politics and international relations ti ania ta chuanin major political system of UK, USA, Switzerland and China, international politics te kha omani chuanin paper 2 a hianin section A part A oma part A point unit 1 om le comparative politics anti khang ho kha section A part A B kha khan ania state in comparative perspective kan ti te avai vai hian chiar vek lo mai la video a hian alang chiang thawa chuwang chuanin a detail kan shadu ni chuan video hi kan post anga ti chuan kan chiar vek thei don thawani panhina hian the British political system kan tiang chi te awma pathumna hian federal system, separation of power, the Congress, executive and judicial system in the USA kha ania chuan the Swiss government, Federal Assembly, Federal Council kan tiang chi te kha palina oma pangana chuan People Republic of China, political development, NPC, president of PRC State Council ti te kha om le ni chuanin paper 2 part B unit 2 na hian syllabus a hian globalization, new international order, world order, terrorism ti te om le a panhina chuan approaches to study of international relations kan tiang chi te kha om le a unit 3 na 1 na hian key concepts in international relations, changing international political orders kan tiang chi te kha oma chuanin unit 4 na hianin United Nations envisages a role and actual records specialized UN agencies aims and functioning working and future aspects of the UN ti taka omleni chuanin Pol Science optional paper 2 B ka part B section B chuan heng te hi omleya regionalization of world politics Asian APEC NAFTA ti te contemporary global concerns kan tiang chi te kha oma unit 2 na chuan India and the world Indian foreign policy te oma India and the nuclear questions changing perception and policy ti te kha omleya chuan unit 3 na India and the South Asia India and South country ti te role of South in South Asian politics India look east policy ti te kha omleya unit 4 na chuanin India and the UN role in UN peacekeeping demand for permanent seats in the Security Council ti te panhina chuan recent developments in Indian foreign policy India's position on the recent crisis in Afghanistan and West Asia visions of the new world order ti te kha omle ni tuna kan enzo tak chi kha Pol Science optionals paper 2 ania paper 2 na part A le B te syllabus te anni ti chuanin nichin khan paper 1 kan ento question pattern le mark distribution kan entowa haka chu soinon to lo mai la paper 2 hi en le taila paper 2 a hianin Pol Science and International Relations paper 2 optional paper 2 a hianin adang bukhan part A le part B an then le part A a hian question pali boko oma part B a hian question pali tho oma part A le B a question pali ve question pariat totalin oma chuan question pariat a hian question panga chan turania part A le B a hianin tambera pathum ba ka chan theilawa part A a pahnih kan chan chuan part B a pathum chan turania nga part A a pathum kan chan chuan part B a pahnih kan chang don ni tiang zel chuanin a totalin question panga kan chang don ani chuan hun kan nei chungi dar kar thum chung ani a full mark ki mark za ani bokani khangzong kha tuntuma Mizoram Civil Service Combined Competitive Exam optional paper B ka Political Science and International Relations Pol Science optional paper kan en ho thei chu ani a ale peka chuan optional paper dang nen kan in hu ho le don nia